Are you looking to increase your protein intake but not sure where to start? Here are 10 simple ways to boost your protein intake and improve your overall health. Number 1. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast, like Greek yogurt with nuts and fruit, or scrambled eggs with spinach and feta. Number 2. Snack on protein-rich foods throughout the day, such as almonds, edamame, or turkey slices. Number 3. Incorporate protein powder into your smoothies or oatmeal for an extra protein boost. Number 4. Choose lean sources of protein like chicken, fish, tofu, or lentils for your main meals. Number 5. Make a big batch of protein-packed meals like chili, stir-fry, or quinoa salad to have on hand for easy lunches or dinners. Number 6. Add protein-rich toppings to your salads and bowls, such as grilled chicken, chickpeas, or hard-boiled eggs. Number 7. Swap out regular pasta for protein-rich alternatives like chickpea pasta or lentil pasta. Number 8. Snack on hard-boiled eggs, cheese sticks, or protein bars for a quick and easy protein fix on the go. Number 9. Experiment with different protein sources like tempeh, seitan, or hemp seeds to keep your meals interesting and varied. Number 10. Don't forget to hydrate. Drinking plenty of water is essential for optimal protein digestion and absorption. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks.